Hey Google, I'm Subhranil Paul, currently pursuing integrated M.tech in CSE from Techno India University. I'm also a core member of GDSC TIU. I have interest on AI, ML, DSA and Web3 technologies. I am also have been taking Python session in my campus GDSC. Besides that, I have a YouTube channel where I upload videos on Python and C programming. I want to be the next lead because I think I have the potential and knowledge to be the next one. I have working with 3DSC TIU almost more than 2 years, and also I am working with my college fests and events as a event manager and a organizer. With these experiences, I have made lots of connection inside of my college and outside too. So I think I am able to be the next lead to help all of my members and my core team to coordinate with them. Thank you, Google. Bye.